Respected viewers and listeners, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll show you how to calculate total job duration and house rent using formulas in Excel. I hope you will enjoy it. So let's get started. In the previous video, I showed you how to calculate the remaining job duration. Now I'll demonstrate how to calculate the total service duration using Excel formulas. Additionally, I've already written down some basic pay details in advance to save time during the video. After that, I'll calculate house rent using a small table I've already provided here. So please pay close attention and let's get started. Now, well, I have to take here another column. When you will take another column, just you can go there, the right side column. If you wish to take it in left side, just right side, you your cursor put it in the top of the right column and click right button and insert. A new column is arising here. You can write here total service. Okay, total service. Now you have already learnt it. If you use any formula, first you have to give here equal sign. Now the formula is for total service calculation, concatenate, CON. When you write here CON, there are many syntax will be shown here. Concat, confidence.norm, confidence.t, convert. This one is concatenate. We need here concatenate for total service counting. Double click here. Now you have to write here dated if no space, one word, dated if, then first bracket, start, end. Since total service depends on joining date, that's why you have to take here the rows of joining date. Yes, is 4 is the number of rows and ace is the column. Okay, then comma, and your count is up to today. That's why you have to write here today, to. After writing to, a lot of syntax will be shown here. Just you can double click today. And next, bracket closed, first bracket closed, then comma, and inverted comma start and write here y, and inverted comma closed. Then bracket closed, and comma, and this y for years. That's why you have to start here again inverted comma and write here years. Years and inverted comma closed, and comma, again no space, again write here dated if, DATEDIF, dated if, and first bracket is start, then again date of joining, comma, and today, just repeat today, today here, double click, then bracket closed, then comma, and inverted comma start YM, inverted comma closed, bracket closed, comma, inverted comma starts this YM implied months, 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 inverted comma closed, and again comma, again dated if, DATEDIF, dated if, and first bracket start, then again joining date, then comma, and today here also, today, double click, first bracket closed, comma, and inverted comma, now MD, inverted comma closed, then bracket closed, and comma, and inverted comma, within inverted comma you have to write here what is the meaning of MD, days, 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 inverted comma closed, and no comma here, just last close bracket, first bracket, and enter. You can see here the total service of Rusho since he joined here first 26 January 2005. Here also format is month, day, and year. Month, day, year. Okay. So now you can double click here. All the total service of the employees are shown here, but those which are not given here joining date, they will also show here. Actually it's not correct, you can delete it. Just delete. But if you wish to check it here, how far is the formula correct here, just you can write here any date of birth. Suppose Mr. Shariful computer operator, his date of joining, we can write here suppose 9 is month, that is September, then 12 September, then 2000, just 2000, just enter. You can see here now blank, but when you press enter, you can see here the total service of Mr. Shariful. Yes, 24 years, 8 months, and 30 days of total service of Mr. Shariful. Okay. In this way, you can write here a lot of employees data. Now we we would like to find here house rent. How can you calculate house rent? You know, house rent depends on basic pay. Basic pay. House rent depends on basic pay. Basic pay is here. So what will be the house rent here? You know, house rent follows a system, that is percentage. So I have already written here a table